Sinan from Car Inspected here. We're just a couple of days later. They removed the windshield. This is the old one. So just to show you, it's completely removed. We're gonna have to clean it, then look after the rust, which is actually I was expecting much worse, to be honest. So yeah, it's moving. It's moving. Let's make sure we still have the camera here. Yes, we do. Okay. She is. Just turned 236,002. Yeah, well, one step closer. I found a black cargo cover from a black interior car. It's the same one, but if I can find a better one, I will get it. All right.